Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of adding a user to your QuickBooks account. Sharing access can help streamline your financial management and allow your team to collaborate more effectively. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get started. 1. Log into your QuickBooks account. Open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks website. Enter your login credentials to access your QuickBooks account. 2. Navigate to the Settings menu. Once logged in, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on the gear icon to open the Settings menu. 3. Access the Manage Users section. In the Settings menu, look for the Manage Users option and click on it. This will take you to the User Management page where you can see the current users with access to your account. 4. Add a new user. Click on the Add User button or similar option that appears on the page. You will be prompted to choose the type of user you want to create. This could be an admin, standard, time tracking, or any other role depending on the level of access you want to assign. 5. Enter user information. Fill in the required details for the new user, such as their name and email address. Ensure that the email address is correct, as the user will receive an invitation to create their own login. 6. Set user permissions. Choose the permissions level for the new user. This will determine what they can and cannot access in QuickBooks. Adjust settings according to your needs, ensuring they have the right access for their role. 7. Save changes. After entering the user's information and setting the permissions, click on the Save button to confirm the addition of the new user. An invitation will automatically be sent to the email address you provided. 8. Confirming the invitation. Instruct the new user to check their email for the invitation from QuickBooks. They will need to follow the link provided in the email to set up their account and create their password. 9. Completion. Once the new user has completed the setup, they will be able to log into QuickBooks with their own credentials, based on the permissions you assigned. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a user to your QuickBooks account and share access to your financial data effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.